Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Oh, actually let me close it and reopen it like this. Once you open the application, you should see the health page. Now tap on device icon to open the device page, and on the device page you should see your Honor Watch GS3. Tap on it to select it, and here we have the device page for our watch. Now tap on the more options icon in the top right corner, tap on delete device and tap on OK. Watch will disappear from the device page. We can close the app. We can also, just in case, open the Bluetooth settings on our phone and check if the watch is right here on the list of paired devices. If it's not, we can close the settings. If it was, you can tap on the info icon next to it and tap on Unpair to remove it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.